Welcome to Nepal National Single Window video training. This video shows the procedure for application of import permit from Department of Livestock Services. In your desktop or laptop, open Nepal National Single Window in a browser. Click on Online Submission and then on License, Permit, Certificate and Others. If the login page appears, enter your PAN number and password to login. Under Operations menu, click on New LPCO. To apply for import permit from DLS, you will have to fill the form under the tab shown. In Header tab, under Type of LPCO, select 902 for DLS Live Animal and Livestock Products Import Permit Application. In related products, the range of HS codes of items associated with DLS can be seen. In User Reference Number, you can edit the system-generated code to enter your own code which can be used to search this application later. Request number, request date, approval number, approval date, valid from and valid to fields will get auto-filled by the system after submission and processing of the application. Select the country from where items are being imported in Country of Export field. In Entry Point field, select the Customs Office for the goods entry. In Type of Use field, select Single Use if the items will arrive in single consignment, or else select Multiple Use. In Invoice Currency code, select the currency used for transaction in the invoice. Other currency-related fields will be auto-filled by the system. In Inspection Office field, select the agency office location where the items will be inspected. Select the estimated date of arrival of goods. These two fields will have to be filled while requesting for inspection of goods after arrival. In Remarks, the rules and regulations of agency regarding the import of items can be seen. Proceed to Name and Parties tab. Enter the name of the exporting foreign company in exporter/sender name and address. Enter your email in the company email field to receive email updates of the application status. These two fields above are optional and has to be filled as per an agency's requirement. Proceed to Items tab. Click on plus button to add an item. In Commodity Code field, enter the HS code of the item by typing the first two digits of the code. Select the code from the system suggested list. The commodity description of the selected HS code can be seen. In Commercial Description field, type the commercial name of the item as mentioned in the invoice. Select the country where the item has been produced in Country of Origin field. If the manufacturer of the item is a different company, enter the name and address of the company or else leave it empty. Enter the invoice value of the item in foreign currency and the equivalent amount in national currency can be seen. Enter the amount or quantity to be requested in unit of measurement according to the selected HS code or in net mass or in gross mass. The approved quantity will be entered by the agency. Remaining quantity will be updated as per the transaction during customs declaration. Under Product Specifications, the fields have to be filled according to the item being imported. In Remarks, supporting information of the item can be provided. In case of livestock import, enter the breed. In case of vaccine import, enter the name of the vaccine, related disease name, type of the vaccine, strain of the vaccine, packing dose, vial quantity and ingredients of the vaccine. Click on Add button. The first item has been added as seen in the table. To add another item, click on the plus button again and fill in the form in the same way as shown before and then click on Add. Similarly, add other items with different HS code. To view the added item details, click on the eye icon. To edit the item details, click on the pen icon. To remove the item, click on the bin icon. After adding all the items, proceed to the Attached Document tab. Here you will have to upload the required scan copy of documents for the application. The Performa invoice is mandatory. Click on the pen icon to add the file. Enter the invoice number and invoice date. Click on the File field to browse the scan file and click on Open. You can upload either image file or PDF file and the file size should be 2 MB or less. Click on Update to upload the file. To upload other documents required by the agency, click on the Add New Attachment button. In Code field, select the subject or type of document to be attached. If nothing matches from the list, select 999 Others. You can enter the name of the attached document in the reference number field. Date is optional. Browse and select the scan file. Click on Add button. Similarly, you can upload all the required documents for the application. In Fees tab, the fees to be paid for the import application can be seen. This fee has to be paid for the application to be processed from the agency. Clicking on Store button will save this application as a draft and you can submit it at a later date. Clicking on Submit button will submit this application to the agency for processing. Click Yes on the confirmation pop-up window. The application has been submitted successfully. The fee has to be paid for the application to be processed by the agency. You will receive email notification on the email entered under Name and Parties tab. The application status and related work process from the agency can be seen in Query and Notification tab. Here, request message can also be sent to the agency when required. You can download Web Tracker mobile app to get notifications on the latest status update of your application.